This is what a normal MT03 foot peg is supposed to look like. Nice and straight. Now the previous owner apparently dropped the bike on the left side because look how twisted this foot peg is. It almost looks like a spiral. Going to attempt a very quick and easy way to fix it. It's all bare metal, so I'm not afraid of scratching anything. I'm going to take this long crescent wrench and see if I can straighten it out. Make sure I'm going in the right direction here. Got to twist it back. Oh yeah, look at that, like butter. Much better. Quick and easy fix. That's the nice thing about steel. If it bends, you can bend it back. After going back and looking at the other side, I gotta go a bit more. Yeah, it's looking straighter and straighter. So I'm looking at the angle of this pin. If I straighten out the bike, the pin actually faces back a little bit. This guy is still pretty much upright. The feeler. That looks much better, much better. If you find this type of content useful, please consider subscribing and hit that like button to be notified of future content.